Hey folks, just another installment of some Kyosho Mini Z fun. Today I'm doing unboxing of some boxes. You know what, I ordered a few things and this is like a mega haul kind of thing. I ordered so many things I can't actually remember what I got, so this will be kind of interesting. So this is like opening presents, because I don't even know what's in these boxes, I can't remember. So join me on this little adventure and let's see what's in the boxes, guys. So you've seen my other kit, and this will be adding to that. Okay, so let's get cracking. Okay folks, so here we've got the first item. So let's just get into this little bad boy and have a look. Let's cut it a little bit more. I always get weird cutting stuff on camera, you don't want to cut yourself. So, ready. Ooh. Okay. Sounds like some tools fell. Alright, cool. I think I know what this is. Right, these were... Okay, these shells... They're Dodge Vipers, I think. Yep. Right, so I think... Yeah, they are. Right. And I think they were used, I'm not sure. These are the only ones that came that were used. So... Yeah, you're getting enough light. Let's have a look. Okay. There's a red one, and there should be a blue one. I think the only issue was there wasn't the mount. Okay, it looks a bit cracked. That blue's nice though. Okay. And what I really was looking forward to was this Carrera GT shell, which I've never really seen before, so come on little beggar. So this was new. Alright. Comes with the mount. I think it's convertible, so there's a roof there that you can put on it with the rear windshield. So I wonder if that'll fit on my Porsche shell that I've already got. Hopefully the dimensions are the same. Okay, right, that's number one. Let's get on to the second one. Okay, so we've got box number two. I think these are from the UK, so I did order some shells, and I think these will be two of them, so let's have a look. Let's have a wee look. I'm not sure which one these are going to be. Alright, I did order some tyres as well, so tyres have come through. I got some 20 Shaw radial tyres, and yes, there are body shells. Let's have a look. Okay, we've got the Subaru, which is kind of like a drifting shell. It's all-wheel for the all-wheel drive version. There's a spec. Alright, I don't think it's limited edition or anything like that. It's a metallic yellow. I like the rims. Okay, so that's one. And this is a Lexus. I don't have a red and white car. And I do like black wheels. So... And these are both the wide MR03 or MR02 fitting shells. Alright. Okay, so the other box that I think was for the UK as well. Alright, let's get this little bad boy off and out of here. Been packaged really well. It's been taped to the box. Okay, so I've cut some tape. Don't want to cut too deep. I do not want to scratch the cases. Okay, we're in business. Right. I think these are shells that I've already got. I just want them in a different colour, if my memory serves me correctly. Yeah, it's a McLaren, the GT3, 12C GT3. I don't actually have an orange car. So the McLarens are probably my favourite shape in all the Mini Z, the 127 scale cars. It is awesome. It's a nice looking car. It's probably the best one they've got out, really. I didn't have it in orange, and I thought, you know what, I do like it in orange. The other ones I had vinyl wrapped. I think this is probably the only one I'm going to keep in its stock form. Okay. And what's the other little beauty? Let's have a look. Oh, LaFerrari. And this one, I don't think it's a chrome red. You know what? I've just recently seen chrome red and I think it looks awesome. This is a metallic red. But I think chrome red, if I was to go for any more shells, which I'm not planning to do in the near future because I think I've done enough now, but I would probably go for chrome red, or well, chrome in general. It looks nice. It looks nice. Okay. So yep, got the LaFerrari. Again, these are the wide MM ones. Yeah. Majority of the cool shells are actually the wide MM ones. So yeah. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I think this one's from the German seller that I bought from. And I think I know what this is. Now, I saw a version of this in the Fast and Furious version. That's going on eBay for some silly money. The cheapest was £75, it was going up to £100. And the only difference, it was with pink. And it had a picture, some anime kind of picture of some lady on it. But I thought, you know what? Here we go. Alright, so that's an S2000. Looks like the old Civic from the front. I think that'd be a nice drifting kind of car. So as I say, none of these are like limited edition or rare. But I don't know, in time they could be, because they stopped making them, even though Kyosho does have the mold and you could have a prized shell that they make all over again. But you know, they make a certain amount and they sell out, and if they're hard to get hold of, they become rare. Okay, next package. Okay, this one's from Portugal. Surprising that there's a lot of stores in Europe that still have Mini Zs in stock. Because America obviously has stock, Japan has loads of stock. But it was nice because obviously I don't get taxed if it's within the European Union. I'm going to make a real mess here. Okay, tidy all that up afterwards. Right. Take this out. Oh man, what a mess. Anyway. The Enzo. An old shape, but I think in black it just looks beautiful. I probably won't mod that either. I think with the silver wheels it just looks beautiful. Alright guys. Pretty car. That's going to have a real beast running underneath that. Decided to do the Japanese boxes last. I think this is one more from the UK, so let's have a look. Complicated box. Okay, right. Woo! Let's have a look. So we've got the Nissan GT-R 32, which is the old shape that I do like. Okay. Put that little bad boy over there. And another drifter. And again, if you watched my first vid, you would have seen it's quite similar. The gyro is included in this one as well, and it should have an LED kit as well. And again, these shells aren't my cup of tea, so I will be swapping them out for other shells. Alright, so if you haven't seen, I won't bother unboxing this because it's going to be identical to the one that I unboxed. Alright, so that's a video I uploaded about 5 days ago. So have a look at that. Alright, and this will be more or less the same. All the stuff and bits and bobs inside it will more or less be the same. Okay, we're going to move on to the Japanese boxes. Let's see what's in these little bad boys. And you know what? I was really surprised. I thought I was going to get taxed heavily, but I didn't. And I was pretty surprised at that. Because when you buy stuff from America, you get taxed to another level, and I thought Japan would be the same. But I think they're kind of like user-friendly. I mean, they're kind of like seller-friendly, I think, a lot of them. Maybe they're competing with China, I don't know. Ooh, some sweet little babies. Right. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. And this seller has sent me some Kit Kats from Japan. Yeah, this guy's called Hero. Thank you so much from Hero. Yeah, I'm dealing with this guy quite a bit, so we've become quite cool with each other. So that's from Japan. I don't think it'll taste any different. Let's get this little bad boy open. He's got some funky little tape as well. I wonder if that's his own tape. Thank you very much. Alright, so these are bits and bobs. These are pre-owned cars from Japan, but you know what, guys? I figured out something late, yeah? Normally, when I buy stuff in the UK, I tend to go for stuff that's pre-owned but in very good condition, like new, doesn't need much work to it. It didn't even cross my mind to do that with Mini Z's. So I bought a lot of them new. Now the thing is, the benefit in buying it from somebody else is they've spent all the money on it. You don't need to. So all the cars you're going to buy in the UK aren't going to have, generally they're not going to have the diff, the ball diff installed inside it. They're not going to have aluminium knuckles. They're not going to have the aluminium arm for the steering, you know. But Japanese cars, they're all modded up. And it kind of hit me afterwards. I mean, you don't get a full set of things. I think even the wheels are aluminium. Right? So let me take off the shell to reveal the car to you. This is the F430, and you can see it does have upgrades. You can see the aluminium bits on it. It's supposed to have an X-speed motor. It's got an alloy motor mount, and it's got the carbon fibre chassis stiffener. It's got the knuckles, and it's got this arm, which is alloy as well. It doesn't have the friction dampener kit on it, but yeah. But that still would set you back a pretty penny, man. So it kind of clicks later, because that's what I do in the UK. I'll be looking for someone who spent money on it. Why should I spend it and get that? Yeah, the only downfall is Kyosho aren't going to make much money out of resale. So there's not much benefit in it for them. Alright. But for me, I mean, that's, put it this way, guys. If I had to do all them upgrades, because I've had to go buy like the alloy steering knuckles, I've had to go and buy the ball diff. If you get the ball diff in Europe, it's £40. China is £20. So these are the bits and bobs that come with it. Yeah, but if I was to do all that in Europe, that car would have cost me, whoa, easily would have cost me about £250. So, and from Japan, that has cost about £80 with shipping added. But I don't have the hassle of setting it up. And then guys, they're serious about their racing, man. They set their stuff up on another level. Just the aluminium wheels, guys, would be like £30, £40 a set. And here's the next little bad boy. Again, aluminium wheels, nice tyres. That's the Motul version. This is getting a bit rare. Okay. Let me take off the shell. And again, this one's had quite a few more mods done to it, and it's again got an uprated motor. It's still brushed, but it's got an uprated motor in it. It's got the ball diff. It's got a different pinion, looks like Delrin. It's got aluminium wheels. Again, the carbon fibre chassis stiffener. It's got alloy steel knuckles, obviously bearings all the way around it. It's got the see-through chassis cover. It's got a 4G steel servo. You can see some of the steel gears in there, and obviously operated tyres. That's what I can tell. Friction dampener kit. So that, I mean, just the upgrades in there would have cost you over £100. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, this last package, not from Japan. I just read the label. It's from Australia. I can remember. I think I bought some drifting shells for the all-wheel drive cars. Like I said, I'm not into the old cars, so the plan was to get some better shells. Okay, yes it is. Right, let's take this little bad boy out. Now, this is what I plan to get. I didn't plan to get the one that I just showed you. So that was the 32, GTR 32, this is a GTR 34. In white, it's become a bit rare. Alright, and here's the specs on the back. Okay, that could be used on a drifting shell. Yeah, all-wheel drive series. So that will be for the drifter, and this other one also. Okay, so it looks like the wheels come off on this one. So that should be the Nismo. Yep, S2 Nismo, or the Nissan Fairlady. And for some strange reason, the wheels are popped off, but the car is still attached to the casing, so it shouldn't, the actual shell shouldn't have got damaged. Now there's a few more things to come, guys. I've got a few more items from England to come, and I think one or two more from other places, but that's basically it, and I'm capped there. I'm not doing any more. That's more than enough. So yeah, when they come, I may just add them to the video, but that's basically everything there. That's the unboxing. So stay tuned to see these little bad boys on the track. So again, guys, just a little close-up look at the goodies that have arrived. So I'm sure these are going to look completely awesome when they're drifting around this track. Okay. That's it for this session. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Awesome. Stay RC tuned.